Hello everyone, welcome to our video session on Introduction to ArcGIS QuickCapture. My name is Inyoluwa Ojumo. Today we'll be looking at the overview of ArcGIS QuickCapture. Also we'll look at the similarities and differences between the QuickCapture and other ArcGIS field applications. We also look at the benefits of using the ArcGIS QuickCapture application. Next one is to look at the steps in preparing the ArcGIS QuickCapture project. And finally, we are going to do a little bit of demonstration. As some of us know that the ArcGIS has different field applications, which include the ArcGIS Survey 123. We also have the field map and also the ArcGIS QuickCapture. But the ArcGIS QuickCapture is an application for the purpose of quick data collection and transmission of data in real time for analysis. So if you are looking for an application that will help you to quickly capture data and send it back without you having to manually process any kind of notes, the ArcGIS QuickCapture is the solution for that. The ArcGIS QuickCapture provides a kind of data capturing experience with a large button. This means that you can just, with a single push, you can actually capture high volume of data. Also, one of the advantages is that it has a simple user interface that allows the users to gather observation and information with just minimal training or even no training at all. The workers need just little or not really to understand how the application works. So it's not something that is cumbersome or difficult to use. Also, the application is good when you are trying to do a kind of analysis that requires collection of data while in motion. It is good for a rapid response mapping. So take for instance, you are supposed to take data while you are in motion. Maybe you are trying to capture data where the environment is not safe and you still have to take that data. With just a push, the ArcGIS QuickCapture will help you to take that data with just one single push. Now let us talk about the similarities between all the field applications in ArcGIS. One is that they all work with web layers, including hosted feature layers in ArcGIS Online or the ArcGIS Enterprise. Another one is that point, line, polygon data can be captured with all these three applications that I mentioned first. Also, it allows user to work offline, and when you are back to a place where there is network that you can upload the data, you can actually then reconnect and push the data online. Also, you can use it when you want to capture images or you want to attach files. So the three applications allows that kind of capturing, and also they allow group sharing, and you can actually control those people that have access to the forms or whatever layer that you have designed. So now for steps in preparing for ArcGIS QuickCapture, the first thing is to create a feature layer. And this can be created using the ArcGIS Online or publishing your feature layer on ArcGIS Pro. The next thing to do is to add a field. The field is added so that you can accept input from the layer that is being created firstly. After the field has been created, the next thing to do is to add choices, and this can exist as a domain if you are using the ArcGIS Pro, or the list if you are using the ArcGIS Online. Now the next process is to symbolize the feature, and this is done so that you can have a distinct representation of each of the uh, features that you have created, each of the layers that you have created, so that you can have a distinct symbolization for them in case you want to capture the data. And the last thing to do is to share the layer so that people can have access to it and it can be used for data capturing. So quick one, we'll go to a little bit of demonstration using the ArcGIS Quick Capture.